Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix professional mode missing problem. So let's get started. First of all, update your Facebook profile. So Play Store app and then just search here. Facebook. Make sure update. My Facebook official app already updated. So now go to your Facebook official apps. See here, there is no option to show your Facebook professional dashboard. Now just tap on top right corner Facebook profile picture and scroll down, just tap on settings and privacy and then just tap on settings. Just scroll down and see here tab bar. Now tap on this and now tap on customize the bar. Please wait. See here professional dashboard beside O2. Just tap on O2 and now tap on pin. Fill up this form. Just go back and now refresh your Facebook profile and now remove your page and then again open your Facebook profile and now enjoy your Facebook professional dashboard. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.